Hey guys, and welcome back to this channel. In this video I'll be showing you guys how you can import fonts to like CapCut PC. So download a font, just select download here and press start download, and just like download a font like how you would normally do it. And I'm just going to select the font that I just downloaded, double click it and select install, and I'm just going to close this. And if you have CapCut open, just close it first, because the font won't be there if the app is opened. So let's just close this, if I can just do that. I don't know why it won't close. There we go. And then you're going to open up a new project, or project that's already opened. Go to text and add in your default text here. I'm also just going to delete the background. I just deleted everything. Oh, I don't know where that went. And then once you're done with that, you're going to go to font here, and you're going to scroll down until you find like system font. So it's like somewhere here, and you're going to find the font that you have installed. I think I chose the Loster one, which is this one. So I'm just going to select this one and add it. I'm just going to type the word pig, and that is basically how you can import a font on CapCut PC. Super simple. I hope this tutorial was helpful for you guys. Don't forget to like, comment, share, and also subscribe to this channel if you haven't done that already. If you have any questions, just leave it in the comment section down below, and I will try my best to answer them all for you guys. And if you found this video helpful, please click the thanks button above the description box down below. Thank you so much for watching. Bye!